Hello, my name's Trent. My wife is Siobhán, and we have 5 little boys, and we live full-time in an RV. Okay, everybody, so I'm out having a little hike with my little guys today here in our wagon. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah? You gonna hold the GoPro, Graham?
Hi.
I don't know if he has it on. Might be dangerous to have it on. So, down this beautiful trail. Here we go.
Hello guys, we are at a hike place that has a lot of stuff that is dangerous in here. Welcome to us. Ready? Me? Daddy? Let's go back. So we all day.
Whew. Lots of uphill for Daddy. You guys are wearing me out. Wearing me out. Are you guys tired? It's hard for you? Oh, this trail keeps going higher and higher up. It was supposed to be like a flat trail, you know? Something I can take this on. Whew. So we made it to the top of the hill, Graham. But now Graham wants to go back. And it's 12 o'clock, so Siobhán's gonna want us back for lunch soon. But it's a good hike. We did good today. You guys did really good. You worked hard, you know. Working hard, working Daddy hard, that's for sure. Let's head back.
Let's head back.
Yeah?
Cheesy. Hey, Daddy, cheesy.
Cheesy. Okay. This is great to live this way. Get outside, enjoy nature with the boys. So, thank you for watching our show. It's super fun. I want to let you know we do these shows every day, so tune in every single day and subscribe because it helps us out a lot. Oh, we lost one.
Is that Vespers on this field?
Yeah, thank you for holding him on your lap, sweet boy. Oh, it's precious and all, but we try to... I didn't do very good today. Kind of bummed he's taking a nap because then I can't put him down for a nap later. So, bummer, but it's cute. It's cute, I know it.
Yes, do you like that one, Camden? Yes. It's pretty cool. I'm definitely roasting.
because roasted pumpkin seeds are awesome. What you doing, Vicky? What you doing? That is.
So messy.
That's because you guys put a lot of paint on there.
Yeah. Because you use a cool color.
So remember last week that we were gonna get Camden a pocket knife. So that had been foiled how many times? 6 times. But yeah, something like that. But now we're gonna get one. So if you didn't see that video, you can watch it here, right here. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here, Camden. I'm gonna put the video. Put the video right here.
Put it right in my mouth here.
That's weird. These are so expensive. Point at it again.
$170.
How much is it?
$170.
Oh my goodness. How about this one?
That's why Will and Gabrielle is
That's almost $100 for $100 pocket. It's crazy. So it looks like it's gonna come down to one of these two things here. Here, hold them. Which one do you want to do? That one? Yeah. All right. So you tell us, was that a good choice?
Yeah.
Well, I'm asking our viewers.
This one is
$270.
They make this stuff so expensive.
A $275 pocket knife. $270.